Google's next flagship is already making headlines, and even though the Pixel 10 has not been around for very long, the first major Pixel 11 leaks are giving everyone something to talk about. From a brand new processor to camera improvements, a redesigned notification system, and possible AI limitations, the Pixel 11 could be one of Google's most interesting smartphones in years. But not every leaked change is good news. Some upgrades look exciting, while others may disappoint fans. So, is the Pixel 11 really worth waiting for, or is the Pixel 10 still the smarter buy? Here are the biggest differences revealed so far. The biggest upgrade appears to be the new Tensor G6 processor. According to recent leaks, Google is moving from the 3nm Tensor G5 found in the Pixel 10 to a much more advanced 2nm Tensor G6 chip. That may sound like a small technical change, but it could make a huge difference in everyday use. A smaller manufacturing process usually means better power efficiency, lower heat, and improved battery life. Instead of simply chasing benchmark numbers, Google seems to be focusing on making the phone smarter and more efficient. Apps could launch faster, multitasking should feel smoother, and AI features may work more quickly without draining the battery. There is another important hardware change that many users have been asking for. The Pixel 11 is expected to replace Samsung's modem with a new MediaTek M90 modem. Pixel phones have often received criticism for weak signal strength, heating, and inconsistent connectivity. If this modem upgrade delivers as expected, it could become one of the most noticeable improvements in daily use. Better network performance and fewer connection issues would be welcome news for Pixel fans. However, one leaked detail has surprised almost everyone. Reports suggest that the standard Pixel 11 may come with only 8 GB of RAM, while the Pixel 10 offered 12 GB across the lineup. At first glance, this might not seem like a major issue, but it could have a big impact on Google's newest AI features. Google has been putting artificial intelligence at the center of everything it does, and upcoming features powered by Gemini are expected to require at least 12 GB of RAM. If the leak turns out to be true, the base Pixel 11 may not support some of Google's most advanced on-device AI features. That creates a strange situation where an older Pixel 10 could actually offer more AI capabilities than the newer Pixel 11 base model. The likely reason behind this decision is the global memory chip shortage, which has increased manufacturing costs for smartphone companies. Instead of raising prices, Google may be reducing memory to keep the phone affordable. Whether customers accept that trade-off remains to be seen. Moving to the cameras, Google is reportedly introducing a brand new 50-megapixel main camera sensor. The Pixel 10 already produces excellent photos thanks to Google's powerful image processing, so expectations are naturally high for the next generation. The jump from 48 megapixels to 50 megapixels may not sound dramatic, but megapixels tell only part of the story. A newer sensor can improve low-light photography, faster autofocus, better dynamic range, and overall image quality. Since Google relies heavily on software processing, even a small hardware improvement could result in noticeably better photos. At the moment, leaks suggest that the telephoto and ultra-wide cameras may remain similar, so users expecting a massive camera overhaul might be disappointed. The biggest improvements will likely come from the new sensor combined with Google's AI-powered image processing. Another interesting change is something called Pixel Glow. Google is reportedly removing the rear temperature sensor and replacing it with colorful RGB notification lights built directly into the camera bar. Instead of checking the screen every few minutes, users may be able to identify calls, messages, timers, alarms, or app notifications simply by looking at the glowing lights on the back of the phone. Different colors could represent different apps or contacts, making notifications easier to recognize even when the phone is lying face down. It is a feature that feels more practical than the temperature sensor, which many users rarely used after trying it a few times. Pixel Glow could become one of those small additions that people end up using every day. Battery leaks, however, are a bit confusing. Reports suggest that the Pixel 11 may actually have a slightly smaller battery than the Pixel 10. Normally that would sound like bad news, but Google is expected to rely on the efficiency of the new 2nm processor to make up the difference. If the Tensor G6 delivers the promised power savings, battery life could stay the same or even improve despite the smaller battery. Of course, real-world testing will be the only way to know for sure. The display is expected to remain at 6.3 inches, but brightness may increase to around 2,200 nits, making outdoor visibility even better. Another welcome addition is rumored to be 240 Hz PWM dimming, which could reduce screen flicker and improve viewing comfort for users with sensitive eyes. As for the overall design, don't expect major surprises. Leaked renders suggest that the Pixel 11 will look very similar to the Pixel 10, keeping Google's familiar camera bar while giving it a refreshed appearance. So, should buyers wait for the Pixel 11? For anyone using a Pixel 9 or an even older device, waiting could be the better option. The combination of the Tensor G6 processor, improved modem, brighter display, and new camera sensor makes the Pixel 11 look like a meaningful upgrade. But for current Pixel 10 owners, the decision is much more difficult. The overall design remains nearly the same, camera improvements appear modest, and the rumored RAM reduction raises real questions about future AI support. Pricing will also play a huge role. If Google manages to keep prices competitive, the Pixel 11 could become an excellent value flagship. But if discounts on the Pixel 10 continue to grow, many buyers may decide that last year's model offers the better deal. As always, these details are based on leaks, and Google has not officially confirmed the final specifications. More information will likely appear as the launch event gets closer. If these leaks become reality, the Pixel 11 could deliver meaningful improvements in performance, efficiency, and everyday usability, while also introducing a few controversial decisions that could divide fans. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smartphone leaks, comparisons, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting news.